Hello, guys and gals. This is Kenny again from Streaming News and the JKJ Media Group. And today I'm kind of excited because I'm going to be showing how to use Vader streams in a web browser. And I don't know if I've been procrastinating to show this or was I waiting for the upgrade that just came out a few days ago. But I'm kind of excited of showing this one because it's pretty awesome, and I have to compliment the developers on this. But Vader streams again can be viewed on many different devices. This particular day, we're going to be showing you inside of Google Chrome, and this can be done in Firefox, Safari, Brave, and you name it, it can be doing it. And without further ado, we're just going to type Vaders.tv and click enter. So Vaders.tv will bring you to this login page, and you just enter again your username and your password that you receive when you set up your Vader account, and click login. This is a brand new interface. Last week it was a totally different interface. But right here we have across the top of the screen we have live TV, we have the TV guide, and we have the match center. Over to the right we have the settings cog, but in the settings cog it's just log out and my account. And let's peek into my account real quick. And right here we have servers. So they have multiple servers. Looks like it defaults to the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast, so I'm going to click West and I'm going to save it. But there are UK, the EU, New York, New Jersey, another Eastern server, and the West. And then the subscription, it will take you to the Vader Streams mini host page, but it's a little different than the one that you would use if you got your subscription through me or through the JKJ Media Group. So we're going to put it on the West server. We click save, and then we're going to go back to live TV over here. And right here, underneath that much is a filter. So right now it's on the United States, but if we click, we can click all, or we can go down and we can choose. If we want to look at Canadian channels, here are all the Canadian channels that we have in here. If you want to look France, here's all the French channels. And so all you have to do is click on the channel if you want premium movies. So inside of Vader Streams we have all the premium movies along with the Sky Cinema channels. Um, so all types of programming and content that we have in here. Sports, live TV. So all the Sky Sports channels, BT Sports, Eurosport, NBC Sports, Golf, you name it, CSN, Philly, California, Chicago, the ESPN Group, Major League Baseball, NBA TV, NFL Network, the Yes Network, WWE Network, SEC, Big Ten, all the Pac-12 channels are here, Sportsnet, TSN, and so on. So we have a sports pack that's second to none. The United Kingdom, all the BBC channels and so on, the Sky channels, um, all here, and of course the US channels. And we'll go through the US channels, and let's click on one. Let's click on the AMC. You click on it, it opens up the media player, and a crystal clear picture comes up. Click here to close. Let's go into, here's the Food Network. Um, crystal clear. Turn the volume down a little bit. Crystal clear channel comes in no problem. CNN in commercial, but a crystal picture. Most of the channels are in 1080p, some 720p, some standard definition, but I would say the majority you're going to get in a 1080 or a 720p. Lifetime in commercial, but a very good picture. Here's TNT. Awesome picture. No buffering. Again, if you do buffer, it is possible. It's not perfect, but it is uh, good. And they have multiple redundant servers, so you can always move your server closer. If you're on the East Coast, obviously you want to use an East Coast server. If you're in the UK, you want to use the UK server. And if you're in the western part of the United States, use the West Coast server. My wife's a huge HGTV fan. Again, in commercial, but a good picture. So again, filter out um, what you want to use, or you can use open all channels, and then you have a pretty long list over there. So we can go on and on with all the channels that are on this list. So let's go to the next one, the TV guide. And the TV guide opens up to all channels, and it has the same filtering action, but as you can see, a very nice bright UI. You can see the network, and then you can look across the top as to, we can tell that this is a 354 here in Los Angeles area where I'm located, and we're in this block right here, and we can see what's going out here till 5 o'clock. So I did find one a little bug here. So if you, for example, if we want to look at the Food Network while you're in the TV guide, and then you click the close button, the video screen comes right back. Click the close button, the video screen comes right back. So that's a little glitch. Developers are aware of it, and they're working on it, and it will get fixed. So I just go up here or to refresh your screen and let it come back. Again, at the top of the screen, you can filter out by country or category. And what I found pretty unique is even in this, if you wanted to see all the NBC channels, for example, you come up here to the search bar and type in NBC, and then here is your list of NBC channels. So NBC West, NBC East, right now the nightly news, and this is Ellen. And again, nice crystal clear picture. And again, when you do this, you have to come back up here and refresh the screen if you're going to change channels. And then again, once that loads the guide data, as you can see, come up here and type in a channel or a category that you want, and then here is HBO channels. Click here. Nice crystal clear picture. Refresh screen. So again, these guys did an awesome job on this. Again, that little bug is going to be rectified very soon now, so it won't be doing that. If you wanted to, again, let's see, UK. Give it a minute to load the guide data. And again, it's going to default to whatever time zone that you are in, and you can scroll through and you can see the BBC channels. We'll click on one. Again, good picture, little bug. We have to filter it out that way. So that's the TV guide section. Next, we're going to look at the Match Center. Now, the Match Center is all your sports for that day in one location. And it's called live events, and it would be like here's tennis, we have cricket, we have baseball, we have football. Um, so you can filter this out over here too. So, for example, baseball right here, we have this game here is live, and then there's a couple of games starting in 1 minute. So at 4 o'clock, the Cardinals and the Pirates, Yankees and Mets starting in 1 minute. And then here's a couple of games that start a little later this evening, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7:15 West Coast time. So 2 hours from now, the White Sox and the Rangers, so on and so. We can filter out basketball, cricket, golf, for example. Um, the U.S. Amateur is live now. This is live now. So it says right over here, here's the time, here's the status, and here's the button you click to watch. So let's go ahead and click this right here. Okay, so we got that one didn't play. It's a possibility you won't get a screen, but here is uh, the golf tournament here, and click it and it closes. So that little bug that's in the other side is not over here. So here's football starts in, these two started in 1 minute, and again these two, this one here is 2 hours later. So we're going to see if this is up and running yet. Looks like not. We got to give it a chance. Let's go ahead and look at some tennis here. So again, all your sports in one location. 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock live now. Let's try this stream. This is a 720p in the US, so this should be no problem here. There it is, going to commercial. Perfect picture. So sometimes the streams from outside, this is standard def in the UK, this is standard def in the UK, so those streams are off right now, and this stream right here is working just fine. So again, multiple different options for basically the same coverage. So if we go back to all, and I want to show you one thing that's really, really exciting. Let me see what baseball games are on right now. Let's see. All these are starting shortly, so let's see if this one is still on. Yes, it is. So no, it's a different game actually. That is Houston. So I waited a little late to show this, most of the games, but a couple of them are starting shortly. I'm going to refresh this screen, see what happens. Okay, so so this is the football game about to come on. Same thing here. I really want to show you a very unique feature that has really got me excited. And this is live. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead and show this feature right now. So right now at the top of the screen, as you can see, you can filter, and then right here it says single screen. If you click on single screen, it gives you a multi-screen option. So this option allows you to watch up to four different channels at one time. So we're going to click on the NFL game here, and as you can see, we're going to pick the 720, the channel, and it puts a box right there. We're going to do the same thing with the Eagle game. Click that, it puts another box there. We're going to open the St. Louis game here, and we're going to open the Yankee game here, and we're going to see what happens. So we got four different channels that we have clicked onto. Then once you have the number of channels, and the maximum you can use is four, but you can do two, you can do three, either way. And then click this button right here, and it's going to open four different screens at one time. All the volumes are on the screen, so if you wanted to X out the sound on them, you could, and just listen to the sound of one. So here, for example, I can click that back on, turn up a little sound, and now you can hear that. We can stop that and turn up the sound here. So you can watch four different live broadcasts at once. So this is an awesome feature just in time for football, and very exciting to get this feature in here. Um, let's close that, and if you click on that fourth one that was screen wasn't playing, and let's put up this tennis match here, and then go back in. So we got that tennis match on now. We're in commercial break on one of the baseball games. Commercial break, and then this is the Cardinal game right here. So I believe this is one of the uh, football games over here. So let's I'm gonna pause this. Rain delay. Cardinals Pirates. So this so that's pretty unique, huh? Let's see about the football games again. So let's go Dolphins, Eagles. Two games. Put them up side by side. There we go. Can't play that too much. I will get banned for showing that content. So that's the multi-screen center. So this is a brand new web browser from Vader Streams. Again, live TV filter. Um, Pick your channel. Great picture. TV guide. Search out search out your channel. Great picture. Okay, this is the bug. And then last but not least, the match center. All your sports in one place, filter out by game. Again, NFL, come football season, all the NFL games every Sunday, plus the red zone. If you want to use multi-screen, you have an option. Again, another benefit over here is to uh, change servers and things like that. So, very awesome uh, and a good job by the developers. And as soon as that little glitch gets out, it'll be perfect. So, again, if you like this video, please slam the like button. Um, I'm brand new on the scene, so any subscriptions would be great. And if you have questions, put in a comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer it if I can. If I can't, I'll find out the answer and get it to you. Appreciate you, and you guys have a great day.